Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post beauty related content here on YouTube. Today we are doing a video that I'm very excited for. We're going to be talking and swatching some of my favourite lip combos for your lips for autumn. So yeah, the first one I have on my lips already is the lip kit from Morphe. I don't know what it's called. It's like the not neutral, but it's like it's got the lip kit, the lip liner Trendsetter, it's got the lipstick Boo, and it's got the dog barking and the gloss in Chill. So that is the lip kit that's on my lips. I'll try and like link it below for you guys. But yeah, this is the first one. I love this one. It's really nice. Like, it's got such a nice color of the lip liner. The lip liner is so smooth and the lipstick just matches the lip liner really well. Like, when you put them two together, really nice combo. And because of the mixture of the dark brown lip liner, it doesn't actually go too nude in the center. I don't like things when they're too nude in the center. And then this is the gloss, which just looks like this, and that is the combo on my hand. It's one of my favorite combos to wear. I love this combo, really do. When I bought it last year, I was just like, Now I've got like 3 lip kits from Morphe and they're like one of my top favorites. But yeah, this is the first one. Perfect brown cool tone lip. Then we're going to go into a warmer tone lip, and this one I like to use Obsession's lip liner, MUA's lip liner in Obsession. It's a nice warm tone brown, and this is the old formula, but I think they have new lip liners out now. And then I like to use Maybelline's Globetrotter liquid lipstick, which I've used in a video and I'm not sure if that's up yet, which just looks like this. It's perfect burnt orange shade. Then I put the Places You'll Go I Heart Revolution gloss over the top of this. Such a nice combo. So let me just whack that on my lips for you guys. This combo is like nice warm autumn kind of combo. I actually love this combo, and these Maybelline Superstay inks, they dry down so quickly. It's such a lovely color, and I found this through, I think her name is Chris Cam here on YouTube, and since she put this up, I have been obsessed with this lip color. It is absolutely gorgeous, and this is perfect if you want a warmer tone autumnal kind of lip combo. So the next lip combo I have is Beauty Bay and Colourpop. You'll see Colourpop quite a lot because I actually do reach for their stuff quite a bit. It is the vintage lip liner. I go on and on about this lip liner with the blotted lip in Cured. This is more of a ready tone blotted lip colour, and that's what it looks like there. So let's put this on my lips. This one, I love the red with the brown. It's absolutely lovely, and these blotted lip colours from Colourpop smell divine. Here, have a sniff. It smells so good. They smell really nice and sweet. I love sweet smelling stuff on my lips, I'm sorry, really do love it. But yeah, this is this combo. What do you guys think? What is your favourite so far, or are you seeing if there's still another favourite here? The next one I have is another Morphe combo. So we've got the Sweetest Tea lip liner, which is more of like a pinky, deep pink kind of lip liner. Then we have the lipstick in Sweet Tea. So this is where I've combined 2 lip kits, which is a bit deeper than Boo. I like that one more. And then I like to pair the gloss from Sweet Tea as well. This looks like this. So this is the next combo. I love this one because of the pink, like the deep pink lip liner. If you let more show of it, you'd see like a nice little combination of brown and pink. I love it. Or you can always go the other way around where you do like brown and pink in the center. I love those kind of combos. So yeah, this is the mixture of Sweetest Tea and Sweet Tea lip kits from Morphe, and I love it. I really do. Next one we have is just the lip liner and kind of lip crayon combo. I don't even know if Soap and Glory still sell these, but this is the Nudist, their gloss stick in Nudist. I used to use this all the time, and it literally just has like a little pink tinge to it. But then pairing it with Essence Satin Mauve lip liner, I have not used this in a very long time. Those two, those two will look really nice together. I used to use these all the time, but this liner isn't as creamy as I thought it was back in the day. It's actually one of my scratchier liners, so definitely like warm it up on your skin. So this combo is not as deep as the rest of my combos. This is a very light pink, autumnal pink kind of combo. I do love it. I forgot how much these smell of like pencils when you're in school as well. It actually was soft on my lips, so they're a little bit harder than the rest of the lip liners, but not as scratchy as I thought it was. But I do like this combo. It is like a nice little pink autumnal kind of combo if you want something a bit softer. Next one we have is Soar by MAC. This is like one of my favorite MAC liners, and you can definitely tell I don't know when I'll run out of that. And then I like to use Cookie by Colourpop. Colourpop, like I say, show up a lot, and that is what that combo looks like. So yeah, let's throw this on my lips. Again, this is another soft pink kind of look for autumn. I used to love Soar like there was no tomorrow, and it used to be that people used to compare it to the Essence lip liner, but Soar is definitely a much deeper pink than Essence, but they kind of look similar on the lips, to be honest. So yeah, this is another soft one. The next one I have is a Relove one. So it is the lip liner in Wonder, which look how brown that lip liner is. Then we have the lipstick in Create, which is a nice like purple lavender kind of shade. And then sometimes I like to go over with the gloss in Sweet. Not all the time, sometimes. They're very different shades, but the combo it creates is so nice. See, this is such a different combo, but it looks lovely on the lips, and I love that like purpley colour coming through. Definitely for this time of the year, I cannot wait. I feel like I want to do like maybe some Christmas combos like in December, but this one is like one of my favourites. Like I would wear this all year long, but I feel like it's definitely an autumn kind of lip colour to wear. But this one, I love it. I love cool tone lips. And then we've got the last one. So we've got Colourpop in On Ice, which look how deep it is. It's really deep pink, deeper than the rest of them. And then we've got the Lippy Stick in Bitchet, which I love the name. Look at that. I feel like the lip liners really make these combos. And then we've got Relove Gloss in Super. Okay, that combo I cannot wait for. I really can't. Just look at this. Look at this one last time, because this is one of my favourites. And then we're going to put this on. But this is a definite me kind of look. I feel like it actually does match the eye look a bit. Last one, this one I love it. The liner actually will match the Relove Create lipstick a lot. That liner will go perfect with this, but if you want to mix it up and make a combo, then switch it out. But definitely if you like the liner, which was called On Ice, then that will go perfectly with that Relove lipstick. But this combo, again, this is a really nice autumnal combo. This reminds me of Rimmel 107, which I think I have. Do you remember when Zoella made this lipstick go like viral? There it is. It reminds me of that, like a little bit more pinkier. Well, to be fair, that is quite pink, isn't it? But yeah, these are my favourite combos. Let me know what your favourite is. I will catch you in my next one. Bye.